eyes face the jury and hearken to its verdicts.
State of Wisconsin versus Kyle. The first count of the information, Joseph Rosenbaum. Kyle H. Rittenhouse, not guilty. As to the second count of the information, Bridget McGinnis, we the jury find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty. As to the third count of the information, unknown male, we the jury find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty. As to the fourth count of the information, Anthony Huber, we the jury find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty. As to the fifth count of the information, Gage Rose-Croix, we the jury find the defendant Kyle H. Rittenhouse not guilty.
Members of the jury, are these your unanimous verdicts? Is there anyone who does not agree with the verdicts as read? You wish the jury poll?
They can scream